Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well and having fun working at home. So, since Sankranti is near, I am planning to prepare something special in Food Chemistry's kitchen. So, it will be an experiment for me as well. So, today I am going to show you how to make sweet pongal. So pongal is basically prepared in southern part of India, mostly during the Makra Sankranti Festival. So it is the harvest time. So for that reason, people here try to prepare sweet pongal and they also prepare Chakkara Pongal. So just we'll start quickly with the recipe ingredients. I have taken 1 cup of white rice, half cup of moong dal. This is jaggery powder, so you can also use other form of jaggery, that is the raw one, but I have jaggery powder available at my home, so I am going to make use of it. 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and few dry fruits. So first of all, we will cook the rice and dal into a cooker. Let's do that. So I have cooked the lentils and rice together for around 4 to 5 whistles. So this is the outcome of it. Now I will start with the jaggery water. So for that I have taken a pan. I will put the jaggery and then I will put little amount of water. So here I have taken little amount of water so that the jaggery get mixed well into this. Make sure that there are no lumps. Since it is a powder form, so it will be very easy to use this into the pongal. So I have taken this jaggery water into a separate bowl and I will now start with the pongal making process. For that I have taken one kadai, turn on the gas, keep it on medium, and first thing you have to do is take the ghee. Now it's time to put the rice and lentils. So here you can see I'm cooking the ghee and the rice and lentils together. You can make use of this masher also to mix all this well. It's optional, it is not mandatory. And now I will be using this jaggery water into this. This is the main ingredient of sweet pongal. Cook well. So the beautiful golden color is here. The pongal is almost ready now. The last step is to put the dry fruits. So for the dry fruits, I will be roasting this into the small roaster. So all you need to do is take the ghee and roast it out. So this is how you have to roast the dry fruits into the ghee. Make sure the gas flame is on low because it will get burnt, and you have to quickly put this into the pongal. So ready with the final step. Mix it well and your pongal is ready. So the piping hot sweet pongal is ready. The beautiful golden color is making it more delicious, and I am going going to try this for the first time in Food Chemistry's kitchen. I hope you like my fast and easy recipe of sweet pongal. Make your festival special with my recipe. Please support and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.